I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy mint lime. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves per serving, 2 to 3 limes for their juice, and your preferred sweetener, like simple syrup. Don't forget sparkling water or club soda to top off your refreshing drink. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious beverage every time. Now let's get to the heart of the flavor. Place your fresh mint leaves and a few lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of simple syrup or your chosen sweetener to the glass. Gently muddle these ingredients together. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint, not to pulverize it. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can make your drink bitter from the lime peel. With your muddled mint and lime ready, it's time to assemble your refreshing drink. Fill your glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the brim. Next, pour in about 1½ ounces of your freshly squeezed lime juice. Then, top off the entire mixture with sparkling water or club soda for that delightful fizz. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the wonderful flavors are perfectly combined. Enjoy your creation. To complete your easy mint lime, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh mint sprig and a thin lime slice make it look as good as it tastes. Serve your drink immediately to enjoy it at its peak freshness and fizziness. This simple touch elevates the entire experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. You can also experiment with adding other fruits, like muddled berries, for a fun twist on this classic recipe. Cheers to your delicious homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.